So hey, what's up mga kote? It's me, Ate Mariel, at welcome sa Quadernos, where learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na subscribe, like, and share button para mag-update ka sa aming mga videos. So samahan natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lesson na ating matututunan dito sa Quadernos, at ang bagong lesson natin for today is all about animals in the forest. So here, 'di ba, mapapag-aralan natin last time yung about sa endangered species. So dito naman malalaman naman natin kung sino yung mga animals na ang habitat or yung place nila kung saan sila tumitira ay sa forest. So before we start our lesson, so syempre may panibago tayong trivia for today. So, as always naman, so syempre gusto ko na meron kayong random things and random trivias na malalaman na maaari nyo magamit when it comes to different aspects. So, ito, dogs can learn up to 165 words. So, a dog is a man's best friend, and meron silang instinct. They can sense human emotions. Meron silang nasa-sense nila kung sad tayo, happy. Alam nila kung sinong hindi trustworthy or trustworthy, and they can learn up to 165 words. We usually stop after sit, stay, and roll over. That's the basic 3 words na maaari nating matura sa mga dogs, like sit, lie down, stay, roll over. So yan, play dead, o yung mga ganyan. But the average dog can actually learn as many as 165 commands. So, yung 165 na commands or yung utos, so yon pwede yung ma-practice and sa ulo ng mga aso natin. And however, as a canine intelligence expert explained to Animal Planet, consistency is the key. If you call his meal supper but your spouse calls it dinner, the label for his nightly kibble might be fuzzy. But if everyone says dinner, he'll soon perk up anytime you're discussing dinner plans. So, for example, meron kayong keyword for the dog na kakain na kayo. So, dinner time. So, ganyan, for example, palagi sinasabi mo, dinner time. So, alam na ng instinct ng aso na kakain na kayo. Alam na rin niya na magdi-dinner na rin siya. For example, sa morning, breakfast is ready or breakfast. So, kapag narinig niyo yung word na breakfast, magre-respond agad siya kasi alam niya yung word na kapag sinabi nating breakfast, alam niya rin kakain siya kasabay nyo. So that's how dogs learn different commands from their amo or from humans. So sobrang galing dahil nga nakaka-learn sila ng 165 dogs. They are man's best friends, so that's why it makes sense. So grabe. I really love dogs, especially yung mga aso ko. So, here. So, next tayo. Nandito na tayo sa ating lesson proper about animals in the forest. So, ayan. What animals would you find in the forest? Ano nga ba yung mga animals na nakikita mo sa forest? For example, birds, snakes, may mga monkeys. Ayan. So, even a small forest has many animals living in it. May mga insects, worms, different types of snakes, ibon. So, ayan. Why do you think many animals like to live in the forest? Bakit nga ba? So, in the Philippines, here in our country, there are very few wild animals. There are deer and wild pigs or baboy damo. Pag sinabi natin wild pigs, baboy damo, yung color black. So, yung pigs, diba, na madalas nating nakikita from farm or sa mga place like sa handaan, is a white one or pinkish one. So, ang baboy damo or the wild pigs are black. So, in Mindoro, there are Tamaraws. So, ayan. Which are fast disappearing. So, it's also extinct. It's also endangered species here in the Philippines, the Tamaraws. So, in Palawan, there are few mouse deers. But many monkeys, snakes, and civets live in Philippine Forest. A civet is a cat-like animal which eats smaller animals. All of these animals survive in the forest because it is their natural home. They get their food and can also hide from their enemies in the forest. So, meron silang sense na pwede silang mag-disguise, alam nila kung saan sila magtatago, alam nila yung instinct pag nandyan yung predators nila. So, yung mga nasa ating forest like baboy damo, mga deer or usa, mga tamaraws, mga mouse deers, snakes, monkeys, birds. So, yun yung mga ilan lang sa mga animals na makikita natin sa forest. So, yan. Yun yung example. There's monkey. Ito usa. Ito baboy damo. So, yun yung sinatawag natin civet. Civet or civet. Ito yung snakes. So, may mga mouse deers. Yan. So, yun yung mga nakikita natin sa forest. So, yan. Mga birds, owls. Yan, mga pigeons. Pigeons. I'm sorry. Hindi pala pigeon. Iba pala yung naisip ko. So, yan. Mga different kinds of birds. May maya. So, sometimes there's eagle. So, ayan. So, yung owl, I never seen an owl in person. So, ewan ko lang. Kung hindi ko na matandaan. Kasi kapag nag-field trip, diba? So, may mga animals sa zoo na meron talaga silang place, like sa magubat na place. I don't remember, but I think it's bio-research. So, isa siyang zoo, maliban sa Manila Zoo or sa Malabon Zoo. Meron silang parang forest type doon. Doon nakatira yung mga ibon. So, yun talagang habitat nila. So, hindi talaga pwedeng basta-basta na lang silang ilagay sa cage. Kasi nga, of course, some animals kasi matagal sila bago maka-adjust, mahirap sila makahanap ng food, and yun yung talagang place nila to be safe, and of course, mas bababantayan nila yung sarili nila. So, why do wild birds live in the forest? What birds are found in the forest? Some of them are shown above. So, yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. So, the forest is also the natural home for wild birds. Here, they find plenty of fruits, seeds, grasses, and insects to eat. So, yung depende sa beak nila, sa kanilang parang tuka, o ano yung type ng food na kinakain nila. So, there are plenty of trees, tall grasses, where they can hide and sleep. Birds get many benefits from the forest. So, other animals like earthworms and ants also live in the forest. So, they are the mini ones. So, ito yung madalas na nakikita natin sa mga lupa, sa mga padaan sa forest, like ants. So, marami sila. May silang anthill, may mga bees, something like that. So, you have learned about the large animals that live in the forest. There are also many forest animals that are small. Some are very small, some are big, some are disguising in the forest. So, these are the beetles, wood lice, millipedes, worms, and other insects. So, some insects live in the forest. Sometimes, pumupunta sila dito sa mga bahay. So, yan. They serve as food for the larger animals. So, kung alam niyo yung food chain and food web, so sila yung mga, for example, yung from food or mga primary consumer, ganyan. So, ayun. So, some animals eat plants. Some feed on decaying wood. As they eat, some pieces of decaying wood fall and become part of the soil. So, some animals help for na kumakain ng mga patay na mga hayop. So, something like that. They're called scavengers, if I'm not mistaken. This decaying matter makes the soil rich and good for plants. So, they also help it. So, yung hindi na kumakain sila ng mga decaying wood. So, makakatulong pa sila para mas magkaroon ng healthy na soil ang mga plants sa gubat and syempre sa other pang mga species ng plants na maaaring makikita sa forest. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless. So, click the thumbs up button if you like this video and leave a comment down below if you have suggestions, clarifications, and questions about our future videos. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless. See you in my next video. Bye-bye!